It's been a while since I've walked on green grass. It's a nice little park in the center of Abha. The weather's very nice up here, down here, down here. Prayer mats for people when they're here playing at park, when they're at the park to pray. And the hospital's right across the way. Long-term care hospital in Abha, Saudi Arabia. It is a nice little park in the middle of the city. Dandelions in Saudi Arabia. Dandelions in Saudi Arabia. Met some locals at Waterfall Park in Abha, having a little snack in the middle of the afternoon. Very nice. They invited me to have snacks with them, and we're talking about life and travel. Get off the couch, people. Enjoy the view.